Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rahmi Khalidah Pane with student ID number 2024-22019. In this video, I will present the result of my practical work on pipeline data pre-purchasing using the Turkey Accurate Relief Tweet dataset. In this first step, I imported the three libraries Pandas, NumPy, and RI. Pandas is used to manage and manipulate data in tabular form. NumPy is used for numerical operation, and RI is used to clean text data using regular expressions. Next, log dataset. The Turkey earthquake relief tweet dataset was loaded into Google Colab using the pd.3csv function. This function is used to read a CSV file and convert into a data frame so that it can be processed using the Pandas library after the dataset was successfully loaded. All the data contained in the file become accessible and ready for pre-processing, feature engineering, and future analysis. Next, the df.head function is used to display the first 5 rows of the dataset. Based on the output, the dataset contains the main columns, unnamed 0, tweet, and class. The tweet column contains tweet text related to the Turkey earthquake, while the class column contains the label assigned to each tweet. This step is performed to understand the structure of the dataset before starting the pre-processing stage. The next information dataset, the df.info function is used to display general information about the dataset, such as the number of record, column names, data types, and the number of non-null values in each column. Based on the output, the dataset contains 499 rows and 3 columns, namely unmet 0, and plus all the columns have 499 null values, indicating that there are no missing value in the dataset. Next, this step is used to determine the size of the dataset. The output show that the dataset contains 499 row and 3 column. Next, the df column function is used to display the names of all column in the dataset. The dataset contains the column unnamed, true, tweet, and class. Next, check missing value. Missing value checking in performed to identify whether there are any empty values in the dataset. Based on the result, the unnamed 0, tweet, and class columns all contain 0 missing value, indicating that the dataset is complete and can be used directly for the pre-processing stage without any missing value treatment. Next, the tweet column was selected for pre-processing because it contains text data with number, uppercase letter, and special character. Therefore, a cleaning process is required to make the text more consistent and suitable for the future analysis. Next, in this step, a clean text function was created to automatically clean the text data. The function convert all letter to lowercase, remove number, function mark special character, and extra space, and the format the text into a more consistent form. Next, the clean text function was applied to the tweet column using the play method. Next, the cleaning result saw the data in the tweet clean column in more organized and consistent than the original text. Next, feature engineering. In this step, a feature called WordCost was created to calculate the number of words is clean tweet. Next, feature engineering. The Corsion feature and was to calculate the number of characters in each clean tweet. Next, feature engineering. The feature engineering results show that the dataset now contains 2 new attributes. Now Sion and char Sion. The word Sion column store the number of words in each tweet, while the Sion column store the number of characters after the cleaning process. Next, after completing the pre-processing and visual engineering stage, the dataset contains additional attributes that can be used for future analysis. This information shows the final structure of the dataset, including the data type of each available column. Next, this step is used to display a statistical summary of the dataset after the pre-processing stage has been complete. Next, the final dataset information is displayed to examine the structure of the data after all pre-processing steps have been complete. After all pre-processing and future engineering step was complete, the dataset was exported to an Excel file using the toExcel function. And that's all for my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.